Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel, Jamhuria's homemade food. Today I'm gonna make stuffed mushroom. It's all vegetables. It's a very good vegetarian and without the cheese, a very good vegan food or a side dish. First I'm gonna clean all the vegetables, rinse them, and then I'm gonna show you all the ingredients that I have for this delicious and healthy recipe. First I'm gonna rinse the mushrooms gently, snap the stem and rinse it, and then put it in a drainer. Next, I'm gonna take a spoon and clean the inside of the mushroom gently and then rinse it. The ingredients for this recipe are 5 baked mushrooms, 2 fresh tomatoes, 2 onions, 2 sticks of green onion and half a bunch of cilantro, half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 fresh garlic, mozzarella cheese. First I'm going to chop the onions. Put a frying pan on top of the stove, drizzle it with a little bit olive oil, and then add the onion on top of that and cook it for about 2 minutes. Mushrooms are the kinds of vegetables that there's not much recipes for it, so this stuffed mushrooms recipe is very easy and it's very healthy. While the onion is cooking, I'm going to cut the rest of my vegetables. All of these vegetables are optional and also it is substitutable. You could substitute any of these vegetables with your favorite. Just cut it in small pieces. The goal is to steam the vegetables so they shrink, so we could fit a whole bunch of it inside the mushroom to make it a stuffed mushroom. The onions have been cooking for 2 minutes. I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it very well. Now I'm gonna add the rest of my vegetables on top of the onion. And then I'm gonna cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm gonna chop my parsley and then I'm gonna add half of it inside the stuffing for the mushroom, and then half of it I keep it for garnishing the plate. All the vegetables are done, they're steamed and they're nicely done. I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of black pepper and then add half of my parsley on top of that. Mix it very well, turn off the stove. My stuffing is ready for the mushrooms. Take an oven tray and cover it with foil. Then place the mushrooms on top of that. Now put a spoonful of stuffing right into the center of each mushroom. Add a handful of mozzarella cheese on top of the stuffings. The stuffed mushrooms are ready. They look so beautiful. I could eat one of them right now before they're cooked. Add a little bit olive oil on top of the cheese so it goes all the way inside the mushroom and give it that delicious flavor. Preheat the oven to 420 and put the mushrooms inside for about 10 minutes. The stuffed mushrooms are ready. This is a great recipe for a side dish or for appetizer. I'm gonna plate it, put one big mushroom in a plate and garnish it with chopped parsley, and it's ready. It smells really good and it looks really beautiful. Thank you for watching, my dear friends. I hope you enjoy this stuffed mushrooms recipe.